Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how I draw 5-minute life drawings. So that means every pose was 5 minutes long. Life drawing, or croquis as we call it here at TDA, is an extremely important practice for any artist. Life drawing is about strengthening your observational skills. It's about bypassing the brain and what it thinks it already knows how to draw, and to connect the eyes and the observation with the hand and the application, so without too much judgment from the mind. And then that way allowing new things to come forward and new things to basically learn. Doing longer studies will provide your hand with knowledge about anatomy that will then be expressed in your shorter life drawings. But the knowledge that you gain from life drawing will certainly also do wonders for your longer work. It will help you to breathe life and dynamic poses into your longer works and studies. Life drawing is about life, dynamic, interesting, bold choices. You don't have time to draw everything, but that's the beauty of it. So don't focus on finishing or polishing anything. Let your drawing live. My advice is to just keep focusing on what's most important, and that's the life in this drawing. So the overall movement, the overall forces that you're drawing with, and don't think too much about smaller details. I'm drawing with a soft material. It's a sepia pencil. You can also work with soft charcoal, willow charcoal, pastel, ink, basically anything that you would like to work with. Don't be afraid. In 5 minutes, you have to start another one anyways. There's no point in wanting everything to be perfect and then spending a lot of time worrying. Do you want to seriously improve your classical drawing skills in an immersive and creative environment? In the TDA Classic course, everything is about drawing, and you'll learn the basic principles of classical drawing with a strong focus on the human body. To learn more, follow the link in the description below, follow us on Instagram, and always remember, keep drawing and have fun.